It's finally here. The Chicago Fashion Outlets is the new home of the first Gundam Base store in the United States, serving a large and long underserved community of anime and model building fans. So let us show you a bit of what you can expect and how it compares to other stores around the world. But first, let's go find some breakfast.
Guys, check this out. How excited are you?
Cautiously optimistic. Bread is soft.
First of all, it has a crust.
Yeah,
We're Gundam store now.
We're gonna go to the donut store. Has the crust in Japan, they would have cut it off. The flavor is kind of there, but it's it's not the same. It's not bad. It's not the same. Store is at capacity. As you can see, there was a line, and we can't block the other stores, so they gave us a wristband and a time slot. So we're gonna come back at that time slot. But in the meantime, they said like, hey, you can go by the escalators, and they have like a free Gundam kit workshop. You could build the kit for free, take it home. So we'll do that while we wait. The Gundam Base store opened in early December, and what a great way to introduce people to the legacy of Gundam. At its core, Mobile Suit Gundam is a Japanese sci-fi universe where giant robots aren't just cool, they're a way to tell human stories about war, politics, and the cost of conflict. The popularity of Gundam has grown immensely throughout the years, and Bandai has sold hundreds of millions of Gundam plastic models, or Gunpla, worldwide. Estimates show around 450 million kits sold globally across decades of release, not to mention appearances in video games, card games, and other types of memorabilia. And model building is quite competitive. There's even a Gunpla Builders World Cup every year, with dozens of countries participating, and it all starts with people like you see here finding passion for building. Look, we got A14. And then...
What is this supposed to be, a jetpack? Ah, this is a... Let me see what it is, Nico. This is cool, man. And then you get a hat.
Can you push this in? Push that in there. Nice and tight. Alright. Wow, look at that. I see Maria struggling a bit to build her first model kit.
I need new eyes. I don't know anything to... How many of these have you built in your lifetime?
I don't know, about 100 kits?
How many?
About 100 kits.
100? Nigga, what you watching?
If they're the same.
So much.
Yeah, your first one. How does it feel?
It took me 20 years of being with you to actually build one of these. Take a picture. I'm so jelly, man.
After an hour wait, it was our time to check out the store. But first, for comparison, here's what a couple of Gundam Base stores look like in Japan and South Korea. That's pretty good. I mean, I didn't think they do a model building workshop for the people that had to wait in line, so I thought that was kind of cool. Yeah. Let's see what the first Gundam Base in the United States looks like. The US store more closely resembles a style of store that we saw in Japan, but a little less immersive.
It's more like a pop mart in a way. It was very nice nonetheless, with exclusive Gundam Base kits that might be hard to get elsewhere.
That was baby sent you.
It's basically kind of like the Japanese SD ones, but they also have the cross silhouette, but I don't like those.
Mira este que lindo, el Red Gundam. I want this one.
Ew.
No, you don't like
You gotta be
it?
careful. No, it's Gundam faces I've ever seen.
Don't be a hater, I like it.
Yeah, like, I actually don't like anything from this series. Gundam.
Oh.
They had a bit of everything, from cards to kits to tools for building your models. Here are just a few of the kits we like the most. And I will say, the prices are pretty fair. You're definitely going to pay more if you had to get it somewhere else and ship it to the US. So that should keep many fans happy. It just so happens that the Midwest over-indexes on Gunpla fandom. Chicago quietly has a strong hobby shop ecosystem and one of the country's biggest anime conventions, Anime Central. So the decision to open a Gundam base here feels right.
There you go. Alright, let's see what you got.
I got the first Gundam.
Alright, let's see.
And just like that, $12.
Yep. Oh, he got it. He got it. You got a Gundam. We're gonna build it at home, okay? And to wrap up our day of fun and adventure, we're gonna have some Japanese food.
Give us your impression of the Gundam.
Gundam Base store. It was actually pretty cool. I liked it. The prices were what you would expect for the Gundam Base store and their limited edition items. What I thought was really cool was it was pretty packed, so they gave us this wristband with the time slot on it, and they said, hey, while you wait, you can go to the Gundam workshop and you get a free kit to build, which was really cool. So Marie and I went. We got a kit that I was supposed to build with Nico, but he was like, wow, look at this mall. And Maria got to build her first Gundam, which was really cool. And I've always told her that it's a really nice hobby because it helps you focus and you just kind of like chill and build.
You're gonna eat ramen with a spoon?
No, the fork.
With a fork. That's even worse.
Yeah. Maybe when you scooch over,